Morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Let everyone come. Very few have joined. How are you all? How are you all, class?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How is Tanishka doing?
I'm fine.
Good. I hope you all have completed your work.
Yes, ma'am. When we were doing, ma'am, water and resources chapter.
Yes. How much we have completed? Can anybody guide me?
Yes, ma'am, telling.
Okay.
Ma'am, I think
Ma'am,
we
we
have
have
done.
done, ma'am. Ma'am, distribution of water. No, ma'am, we have to start.
We have
No, ma'am, distribution of water is done. Ma'am, you have explained us.
Yes, it is done.
You have to start from fresh water.
No, fresh water also we have done. I have to start with the
Fresh water.
factors responsible for the pollution of water. For the scarcity of water, sorry. Factors responsible for scarcity of water. Okay. Right, class? Right, children?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, David. Just 2 more minutes we'll wait and we'll start with the explanation part. Right, class? Fine. Some more have joined. Now it is good. Can you see the board, class?
Yes,
Is,
ma'am.
is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
If I write anything on it, will you be able to read it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
just
ma'am.
I hope now it is more clear.
Yes, ma'am. Now it's fine.
Fine. See, factors responsible for water scarcity. Right. So can you tell, Rishika Verma, okay. Can you tell what are the factors that are responsible for the scarcity of water? Anybody in the class? Yes? Dhruv? Yes, Dhruv?
Yes, ma'am. There can be many factors like distributed rainfall and man water system and densely population.
Can you say it again because your voice was not clear at all?
Ma'am, there can be many reasons for water scarcity like distribution, fall, and under population.
Right. See, the first factor that we may count is the population. See, the growing population that we have. See, as the population grows, the requirement, the need for the water becomes more. More the people, more the water will be used. Right? What happened, Shashank? Why did you switch off your camera, bache? Okay. Right. Fine. See how how the growing population is responsible for scarcity of water. See, one place people will be more, the consumption of water will be more. The more the people, the more the consumption of the water will be for various uses. We all know how water is used in the houses, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Rishika, you were connecting from two devices, beta.
Ma'am, I was trying, but the meeting was ended. It was showing.
Okay, maybe some problem at your side. Fine, fine. Now, what could be the second reason for the scarcity of water? Anybody in the class?
Ma'am, wastage water.
Huh?
Ma'am, overuse and wastage.
Yes, overuse we can say. But before that, I would like to add on to one point. That is the commercialization commercialization of agriculture. See, we all know agriculture is an important part of our country, right? Maximum number of people are into cultivation. So how commercialization of agriculture has been is responsible for the scarcity of water? It is because, see, we all know the demand for the cash crops that we have is growing day by day. More people want to earn money, right, by producing crops. But then what are they doing? Because of the modernization in the agriculture. If you remember Green Revolution, you must have read about Green Revolution, class. Yes. Have you read about Green Revolution?
No, ma'am.
No?
No, ma'am.
Really?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Green Revolution is related to the revolution in the agricultural sector. Now, what was this revolution all about? The introduction of the chemical fertilizers, the introduction of the pesticides, insecticides, the introduction of the high yield, high yielding variety of seeds that we have. See, the normal seeds that we have, they of course will give you production, but then this high yielding variety seeds that we have, they boost the production, right? You must have heard people talking that hybrid seeds है मेरे पास hybrid seeds नहीं है, मेरे पास तो जो है वो देसी seeds है. इस तरीके का कुछ conversation have you ever heard people talking in the marketplaces or in your neighborhood or any XYZ place? No?
Yes, ma'am. I have.
ये सब्जी लेने जाते हैं हम तो कहते हैं हम ये वाली देसी है, ये वाली फार्मी है, ऐसे ऐसे कहते हैं.
एग्जैक्टली वेरी गुड उजैर. यही रीजन है. अब चक्कर क्या है कि जो हमारे जो मॉडर्न मेथड्स ऑफ फार्मिंग है या कल्टीवेशन कह लो या एग्रीकल्चर कह लो, इसमें जो है ये जो सीड्स होते हैं दे रिक्वायर लॉट ऑफ वाटर बिकॉज ये हाइब्रिड सीड्स होते हैं. दे रिक्वायर लॉट ऑफ वाटर. आपने सुना होगा सब्जी मंडी अगर कभी आप मम्मा पापा के साथ जाते हो तो वो कहते होंगे कि ये देसी टमाटर है, ये देसी भिंडी,
Yes, ma'am.
ये हाइब्रिड
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? सुना है ना?
Yes,
तो
ma'am.
ये
And honey also.
हाँ, ये यही एग्जैक्टली यही चीजें होती हैं. तो इसमें अब हाइब्रिड और देसी में या जो लोकल है उसमें क्या डिफरेंस होता है? डिफरेंस सिर्फ ये होता है बच्चे कि डिफरेंस बहुत ज्यादा होता है. जो आपका जो लोकल सीड्स होते हैं उसमें प्रोडक्शन में बूस्ट नहीं होता है. हाई वैरायटी यील्डिंग सीड्स जो होते हैं दे गिव यू मल्टीपल प्रोडक्शन, प्लस उनके साथ आपको केमिकल जो है फर्टिलाइजर्स आप यूज करते हो, आप पेस्टिसाइड्स यूज करते हो, और फिर बिकॉज ये सब चीजें आप यूज कर रहे हो सो यू नीड मोर ऑफ वाटर. तो जो इरिगेशन पार्ट है, जो हम पानी देते हैं, दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी मच. So because of this because of the commercialization of agriculture, excessive water is required for the cultivation, right? I hope I am clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes, ma'am.
next point is variation in seasonal and annual precipitation, right? Now what is this precipitation? Do you know what is precipitation, class?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's the process.
Rainfall.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what is precipitation, beta? It is rainfall, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is a
Ma'am, your voice is not
process in
coming.
which
Ma'am, your voice is coming very low.
Now is it coming? Now is it coming?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. I was looking for my earphones actually. Right. It's okay. Fine. Do we have any Aditya Tiwari in the class?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Right. So precipitation means rainfall, right? Now, we all know that monsoons are the season when we have the rainfall, right? Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
now what happens? There is a huge difference between the seasonal and the annual rainfall. See, when the season is there, you must have heard about this, that a particular area or a region or a city or a district has been declared as uh, ड्रॉट प्रॉन एरिया और फेमाइन इज ओवर देयर, और जैसे सूखा घोषित करते हैं, आपने सुना होगा ना, फेमाइन, सूखा.
Yes, ma'am.
So now what happens when the expected rainfall is not received in the season when we have monsoons? So when we talk of the monsoon, when we talk of the seasonal and the annual precipitation, there is a huge difference per year. Any region, how much rainfall the area has received, that is also responsible for the scarcity of water. If you count, if you see, there is a huge variation. Meghalaya, if you see, many of the North Indian states which are there, they of course they fall in the category of the monsoon areas, but because of the local conditions that are there, like Meghalaya, if you see, Cherrapunji, Mawsyn Ram, these are the places, or these are the regions or the areas where excessive rainfall takes place, right? Excessive rainfall. But when you compare it, like East, Meghalaya and Mawsyn Ram, and when you compare it with Rajasthan, western part of Rajasthan, it hardly receives any rainfall. So there is a huge difference, like 1000 mm annually in Cherrapunji and hardly 1 mm in Rajasthan. So this is the variation. Got it? Got it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Fine. See, those
Yes,
areas, sometimes you must have observed that in front of your house it is raining, at the back it is not raining. Right?
yes, ma'am.
Sometimes some
Yes,
places
ma'am.
some places are having rain, but the other places are completely dry. So these are the factors, these are the reasons, the climatic conditions that we have, the local climatic conditions of a place, they are also responsible for the same, right?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, this mm is millimeter.
mm is millimeter. Yes. Okay. Right. Okay. Now coming to the next point, that is industrialization and urbanization. What is industrialization? Do you know?
No, ma'am.
Anybody in the class?
No, ma'am.
Gauraj?
Ma'am, what is, ma'am, can you repeat it?
What? I am asking you, what is industrialization? Do you know?
Industrialization is a modern,
Hmm?
modern real work commonly.
Okay, fine. If we have to define industrialization, we can say that if we compare before independence and after independence, we will find that before independence, we had very few industries, but after independence, because of the 5-year plans that was introduced by the government, many industries have come up, right? Every place, industry, you must have observed Delhi, Mumbai, right? Noida, these are the areas where most of the industries are located, right? In the form of MNCs. Now, when at any place the industries are set up, these industries, they also require a lot of water. You know why? You know why industries require water?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Because of ma'am,
Yes,
who
ma'am.
is there, ma'am? Ma'am, because of ma'am electricity and ma'am for cooling down the machine.
Yes, very good. See, for producing electricity, for cooling down the machines, and then if we talk about the various industries that we have, when we talk of the food industry, when we talk of the canned food industry and the beverage industry, these industries require lot of water, excessive water, right? Other industries, the percentage of water that they are using, these beverage and the food industry, they require more of the water, right? So industrialization is again responsible for the scarcity of water. Now talking about the urbanization. See, what is urbanization? Do you know?
No, ma'am.
No? Anybody? Yes, Akshat?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, Akshat?
Ma'am, urbanization are the industry type small pits which are in urban areas.
Huh.
Ma'am, they are also industries but very less quantity and they are small. Just like
Okay.
ma'am, sugar cane
Okay.
industry
No,
is
no.
too big, but ma'am, Kolu is small.
Okay, but when we say urbanization, we are basically talking about people coming and settling in the cities, right? So because
Yes,
of
ma'am.
this migration factor that we have, again, the land areas are less, water resources are few, but the people that are consuming water, they become more in numbers, right? So because of this urbanization also, the scarcity of water has taken place. I hope these 4 points are clear and understood to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then comes, somebody said that time when I was asking, no, somebody said that overutilization and misutilization of water, right? Now, what is this overutilization? Can anybody tell? What is this?
Ma'am, overutilization is ma'am overuse of the water.
How water is
Uh,
overused?
Ma'am,
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 the
can I
water
tell?
Yes,
Ma'am,
tell.
the water is overused, ma'am, when we filling a bucket and ma'am, we don't notice that the water always flow away.
Exactly. See, we are misusing the water in the sense that when we keep containers under the taps open and we don't realize, we keep them open and we start doing something or the other, and we don't realize that the bucket or the container or the vessel that has been put under the tap is full and the water is being wasted, right? Similarly, this overutilization and misutilization of water indicates in the irrigation sector, the agriculture sector that we were talking about. See, in many of the states of North India, because of the crops, the food crops that are not the part of that particular soil kind or the climatic condition, or the soil does not support or the climatic condition does not support the growth of a particular crop, still farmers are growing them, and for that they need more of water. Like for example, rice, the paddy crop that we have, rice crop, it requires a lot of standing water when it has to be sown, when the saplings are to be sown in the field, right? Right. And at the time of its cultivation as well, like, the process when it is growing, then also it requires water. So more of water is required. Tube wells, and there are tube wells that are made to supply water. So what happens, because of improper way of cultivation, what happens, the water is wasted. You must have seen, while coming to school, you must have observed, fields on both sides of the road while coming and going to
Yes,
school.
ma'am.
Have you observed?
Yes.
Uzair?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Now, because now these fields are there, and you must have seen that at times, some a tube well is there and water is being, the fields are being irrigated by the water. But sometimes what happens, the water is not going to the fields, rather it is being wasted. It is going somewhere else because it has got a passage, and from where the water is being leaked out to the other sides where the fields are not there. Have you observed this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Others, Riya, Rishika, Kripansh, Aditya,
Yes, ma'am.
Gauransh, have you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Gauransh, have you also experienced this? Have you also seen?
Yes, ma'am.
Very,
Yes, ma'am.
very good. Very good.
Yes, ma'am. I also experienced it.
If we could have the cameras on, I can easily recognize you people. No, otherwise it will become very difficult for me. Someday if I meet you in the market, You will recognize me, I will not be able to recognize you, right? Can we have the cameras on? Naitik, Rishika, Riya, Radhya, Kripansh, Aditya, Dhruv, Akshat, Anvi, Gauransh. Very good.
Yes.
That's really very good. Fine. So over irrigation of the fields is also responsible for overutilization and misutilization of water. I hope it is clear and understood now.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Now talking about the very important factor, that is the pollution. See how water get polluted, do you know? What pollutes the water? Tell
And
Yes, ma'am.
plastic.
Shashank. Wait, let Shashank tell. Shashank, do you know how the water gets polluted?
Ma'am, the factory's toxic waste can be mixed with water. The water is poisoned.
Yes, very good, Shashank. See the factory waste that is thrown in the water bodies is polluting the water. Very good. Prasyun, any other point other than what Shashank has told?
Ma'am, garbage and sewer pipes which are connecting to directly to rivers or oceans, that they pollute.
Very good, very good. The sewer pipes, the sewage line that is there, they are directly connected to the nearby water body and the dirty water goes in it and it pollutes the water. I will give you an example. We see while coming to school, you must have observed that Nakatia River, no?
Yes,
Have you
ma'am.
seen- have you ever seen how dirty it is?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
And
And
very
smell.
good smell.
It stings also badly. You know why it is so dirty and why it stings? Because many of the colonies which are near that river, Nakatia River, all those colonies, they have opened their sewage line in that river, dirtying the water. Right? Right? So this is
Yes, ma'am.
how the water gets polluted. Moreover, one more
Ma'am,
fact.
and ma'am, people also, ma'am, throw, ma'am, house waste and ma'am, animal waste into the water.
Exactly. Very good, Anna. Very good. I was about to say this only, but never mind. I'll tell another point now. Now, another point that is responsible for the pollution of water is that it is that I forgot. Yes.
Ma'am, household water is throwing in the ponds or rivers.
Very good, very good. That Anna has told. Now, what I was telling you is initially I told you about the modernization of agriculture, the chemical fertilizers that are used. Now, these chemical fertilizers that are there, they also pollute the water. They go inside they percolate inside the land. जो लैंड में जो पोर्स होते हैं उनके थ्रू इट गोज डाउन, ग्राउंड वाटर लेवल जो है उसके साथ ये मिक्स हो जाते हैं एंड अल्टीमेटली दे pollute the water. Right? Right? दूसरी चीज, हॉस्पिटल्स आपने देखा होगा, बड़े बड़े हॉस्पिटल्स होते हैं, मल्टी स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल्स बन के आते हैं. व्हाट डू दे डू? वो बहुत डीप अंदर तक जो है गड्ढा खोद के जो भी वेस्ट होता है हॉस्पिटल्स का, दैट एवरीथिंग गोज इन दैट पिट. राइट? अब वो उस गड्ढे में जाने के बाद प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है जानते हैं? जो मेडिकल वेस्ट होता है वो ग्राउंड वाटर लेवल में इट गेट्स मिक्स्ड अप, और फिर जब हम उसको हैंडपंप वगैरह के थ्रू पानी को निकालते हैं और या मोटर्स के थ्रू या जो आपका क्या होता है समरसिबल होता है, इनके थ्रू जब हम निकालते हैं तो वी आर कंज्यूमिंग पोल्यूटेड कंटेमिनेटेड वाटर. यू नो दिस?
Ma'am, chemical water.
Exactly. Chemical water plus the medical waste. Imagine the medicines that are there, the blood, the cotton that are soaked in blood with the wounds, everything is, dumped over there. And over a period of time, when it mixed with water, it releases all the toxics and we are consuming those toxics. That is why, see, in the present time, you see so many diseases are there. So many ailments are there. Doctors are not even able to, analyze why this problem is there. All of you must have heard, people saying, पता नहीं अच्छा खासा बैठा हुआ था एकदम से जो है पता नहीं क्या हुआ नीचे गिर गया मर गया.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
बहुत सिवियरली जो है इंजर्ड हो गया या बहुत सिवियर कंडीशन में हॉस्पिटलाइज हो गया, तो पीपल, इवन डॉक्टर्स आर नॉट एबल टू गेट इट कि व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम, because we are drinking contaminated water, because the food that we are eating, that is also not very healthy. You know, Delhi region, you must be aware of Delhi, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You have heard of Yamuna river?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Now see, in Delhi, Yamuna that we have, this Yamuna river, all the pollutants of the industries, of the house, everything goes in the Yamuna water. And over a period of time, this Yamuna water has become dark black in color. Generally, water is transparent, no? You can
Yes,
see
Yes, ma'am.
through, yes. But this Yamuna water, it has become dark black in color, and it is so polluted that people, you know, those who are living near the banks of Yamuna, they are using that same dirty water to irrigate the seasonal crops. Lauki, kaddu, khira, whatever you say, you name a vegetable, and that is grown over there, and that contaminated water that is being used in those seasonal vegetables, we are consuming them. Imagine, we are eating, are we eating hygienic food? We are not. Though mama cooks it very hygienically, tries to clean it, wash it, but then ultimately the contaminated parts are already there. Through the roots, it go inside the fruit, right? Got my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Got my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Why? You must have heard people talking about organic. Have you heard people talking about this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
क्यों organic का मतलब क्या होता है, जानते हैं? What is organic?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
And the things
organic.
involved, in soil.
Yes, organic means where the chemical fertilizers are not used, where the manure, the local manures that are there, the cow dung,
Ma'am, they are growing naturally.
yes, the food that is grown naturally. Compost, you must have read about compost in science. Compost बनाते हैं,
Yes,
उसमें भी
ma'am.
अपना
Yes,
manure
ma'am.
prepare करते हैं, right? है ना, करते हैं आप लोग, ऐसे करते हो? आप लोग के घर में होता है गीला और सूखा कूड़ा अलग अलग डालते हैं आप लोग, dry and the wet garbage that we have?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Many of you are doing it?
Yes, ma'am.
Many of you are doing it? Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am. In my house, it's done.
Very good. That is really very good. It is a very good practice, right? That way we can have our own, you know, manure, organic manure, right? Okay. I
Yes,
hope this pollution part is all clear and understood to everyone.
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anything out of these points that we have discussed not clear or understood?
No, ma'am.
All clear and understood?
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Yes.
Beta, I am asking you anything in this that is not clear or understood? Everything done, all clear and understood? There,
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
fine.
Ma'am, in book this is written that ma'am in 2025, ma'am 65 countries including India, Korea, Nigeria, Peru, Poland are likely face to shortage of water.
हाँ, likely to face shortage of water. आपने देखा होगा कि बहुत सारी कंट्रीज हैं वहां पे पानी की वेस्टेज इज नॉट अलाउड एट ऑल. पर इंडिया में आप देखो, हमारे घरों में क्या होता है, पानी खोल के छोड़ दिया तो पानी बह रहा है, बर्बाद हो रहा है, nobody is bothered. People are washing their cars. खुले पानी में पाइप ऑन करके सर दे आर थ्रोइंग, और क्या हो रहा है, पानी का वेस्टेज ही तो हो रहा है. टेक अ बकेट फुल ऑफ वाटर, यूज दैट वन बकेट ऑफ वाटर फॉर क्लीनिंग योर कार. Whatever water, like now see, these days every house is equipped with, you know, modern facilities. Washing machines are there, right? So we can utilize the washing machines water, the water, dirty water we can use for several things, right? And when you store that water, all the dust particles, sediments, they get settled down, so the water that is up, you can use it in from the kitchen also.
So ma'am,
Yes.
now in automatic washing machines, ma'am, that dirty water, ma'am, is get ma'am into ma'am the ma'am, that nalas and all.
Okay,
Ma'am,
this is-
automatically.
Yes, ma'am. In
What we-
automatic machine, it
what
happens.
we can do is we can attach the pipe of the water that is throwing the wastewater from the machine to some container where it can be stored, where the water can be stored, right?
That.
Then we have ROs,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Filtered. So the water that is wasted, we can store that water in a container and use to plant the pots that we have, or it can be used for
Yes, ma'am.
sweeping the floors, or for there are several purposes for which water is required, right? So
Ma'am,
we-
in RO there is a pipe for ma'am that if we
Wastewater.
take any one glass of water, so ma'am,
ma'am.
the waste, so ma'am, the dirty water comes down.
now what we can do, we can have drums, big drums, and we can put that pipe in that drum so that the water is stored, right? There are several
Yes.
ways. If we think
Ma'am.
of, yes beta,
Ma'am, ROs are also a kind of storage water, ma'am, but they also remove excess of water.
exactly.
Ma'am,
See,
as we take
when they are
one glass of
processing,
water,
see,
throws
RO,
half of the glass of water.
suppose you are taking one glass of water, so to give you that one glass of water, 2 glasses of water are wasted. Why? Because they are purifying it. All the toxics, the unwanted particles that are there in the water, they are filtered, and then you get a pure water glass, right? But then to get one glass of water, 2 glasses are wasted. So what you can do is that the pipe through which that wastewater is going out, you can fix it at a place where you have a container, a large container, and you are storing it. I do that. What I do, there is a huge big drum. In the next class, I'll show you that a huge big drum I have, and that water is stored in that. And I have a small kitchen garden. I have a small garden also. I have pots also. So I use that water only to water my plants and water the kitchen garden that I have. So that way I am using that water. I am not wasting it, right? Now
Yes, ma'am.
it is summers now, so I have directly attached a long pipe with that small pipe, and directly it is going to the kitchen garden, right? So there are several ways. When it comes on conservation part, there are several ways of conserving water also, of conserving resources also. When we talk of resources conservation, there are several ways of doing it.